It's called the Ethiopian cuisine or some shit like that. And my wife and I were riding by it one night, first time we saw it. She says, Ethiopian cuisine. Wonder what they serve in there. I said, nothing. Nothing. You get a glass of dirty water and a little burlap sack of rice that says UNICEF on it, you know?
Yeah. Hey, Brian, Stevie's in the house as well. Good to see you, man.
Oh, Brian.
Here's your complimentary fly, sir.
Mm-hmm.
May I have my cigarettes, please, Miss Ratchet?